Hello. Today in this video we will be discussing the concept of choking. Choking is defined by the inability to breathe caused by a blockage in the throat and or windpipe. The top 3 ways to prevent choking include 1. Not drinking fluids when you're eating, 2. Not talking when you're eating, and 3. Not lying down while you are eating. Now that we know a little bit about choking, let's discuss exactly what to do when we see it happening.
The first thing that we need to do is be able to recognize that someone is choking. So we would want to look for some universal signs of choking. One could be the sign or the symbol that someone's choking by them placing their hands here. If someone is choking, the person is going to be unable to speak, so you may want to look for other signs such as turning blue, the skin turning blue, coughing, maybe a panicked look on their face. When you do recognize those things, you're going to want to step in and try to help the person. So first you need to ask the victim's permission to help them so that you don't have any legal implications from just stepping in and touching them. The person is most likely not going to be able to speak, so you're going to look for implied consent. That could be them making eye contact with you and shaking their head, yes, that you can go ahead and give treatment. Then we will want to go through the steps that you would do to perform the Heimlich maneuver on somebody. The first thing that you want to do is you want to place your foot in between the 2 feet of the person who's choking from the behind position of them. So you're going to be standing behind them, facing their back with your foot between their 2 feet. You want to wrap your arms around the person who's choking, and then you want to locate their navel. You want to make a fist with your hand, and you want to place it just above the navel. And then you'll take your other hand and put it on there, and then you want to continue with thrusts upward until the object is removed or the victim becomes unresponsive. If the victim becomes unresponsive, you want to have a bystander call 911 and begin administering CPR until first aid arrives.
Now that we have covered the steps for the Heimlich maneuver, we will show you a demonstration.
Now we are beginning our demonstration. Our victim is showing the universal sign for choking, and we have someone, a first aid responder, coming up to respond. She's going to ask permission to treat the victim.
Can I help you? Can I do the Heimlich maneuver? Oh.
So she's coming to stand behind him. She's going to place her 1 foot between his 2 feet. She's wrapping her arms around him. She's locating his navel. She is making a fist and placing it just above the navel, wrapping her other hand around. Now she will do upward thrusts until the object is removed. The object has been removed. Fantastic. Thank you.